Well, the ultimate goal of the Maple Grant project really is about developing and encouraging the development of a maple syrup industry here within the state of New Jersey. So what we're really trying to accomplish is basically to figure out some information about how to effectively develop a maple syrup industry here in the state. So we're looking at a variety of aspects. So it's going to be kind of very multidisciplinary in our approach to it. So we have economists involved, we have folks like me with forestry background, so more of an ecology background. We're kind of bringing all those expertise to bear.
New Jersey has an abundance of what are called red maple trees that can actually be used to make maple syrup. We haven't really exhausted that resource yet because we really didn't have the technology to do so, but we might now. And so this project is to really investigate whether we can make maple syrup production feasible in South Jersey.
So our vision is to be the educational resource in South Jersey regarding all things maple. There hasn't really been a maple industry here in South Jersey, and we would like to be the start of that here at Stockton.
The Maple Grant has three main components to it. The first one is sort of illustrated here with all of this tubing, and it's to create a viable maple syrup sugar bush here on Stockton's campus. The second part is really research-based. So our scientists here at Stockton have created relationships with bigger landholders throughout all of South Jersey. The third component is really what I'm focused on, and that's outreach. We are really just trying to build a community of people interested in this topic in South Jersey.
We are not trying to compete with Canada or Vermont in terms of the dominance of maple syrup, but we are trying to convince people that they can use the woods in their backyard as something to enjoy and produce a product that they themselves can either use for their family or sell to the local area. The Maple Syrup Project is not rocket science. The Maple Syrup Project is very simply just doing something that Native Americans have done since they started living in this country, is tapping the trees for this delicious sap that has a little bit of sugar, and then you boil it down to make syrup.
So the end goal for the Stockton Maple Grant is to be the leading educational resource in South Jersey. And if this raw material can be a viable resource within South Jersey, we would like to be the base at Stockton.